and dry run kind of thing. But because last time.
Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills SC Sadhu, Ubadeiru Returning Officer ka Election Lok Sabha Arja Arpsao, Shillong Parliamentary Seat, Hagasngi Balang ula pyntip Bakipo District, kila pynkheh bhaya ka jingran kam baro na kabanta ka sngi vote, jong ka Election Lok Sabha, bakan yat bet yat jinti, kabanlang Hagasaw tarik Jylliew. Usadhu la Hiar jurip iki jaka vote, but ki strong room hamaran Polo, but yakunduru iki he pulit ki CRPF, but ka kynhun ki media, pan batay kam habaya day bet ki pynkheh na kabanta ka sngi vote. Hakacho kapor kum Deputy Commissioner ka district, ula pyntip Bakibo District, kimlong jingthmu satia ban weng ya ka hukum, papinjari ya ka kendon 144 CRPC, Hagasaw tarik Jylliew, ka bakhang persya iki sengsan perthai, bakin yat procession ni rally haga sngi vote. Kani ka jing pyntip UDC, kalawan kum ka jubab ya ka seng Voice of the People Party, bat ka seng HITU, kipidawa ya UDC, ban weng ya kani ka jing pinjari, kanang baki sengsan perthai, ki kertong, bat kinong kersyan, kinyo lekman anda ki job ya ka election. Uni uklidu ke district ula pensyai bagi jing penjari ke kenton 144 CRPC ke DE namar ke jingshem bagi jingat procession ni rally kila ban pinmi ya ke huri hura bala ban pinthot ya ke suk kesan bad ke waipat ke long bakan wanra ya ke jingkhmia ki surak gilinti kaman kata ya ke lait kawan upaj ba.
SL also has been created. We have briefed the media team also to ensure that media can have real-time access to information, so that the information sharing would be in a continuous and transparent manner. And we have set up separate. We will be setting up a separate screen for media to access. And up to this media center, we will allow media people to take mobiles also, so that for any other communication from there, media will be able to share this information. So this is one political party, and yesterday we received one petition from one of the NGOs with regard to revocation of 144, particularly with regard to prohibition of processions and rallies. But this order has been issued with an objective to ensure that law and order is not disturbed, and also to ensure the traffic convenience for the normal commuters. So because on 4th, that is counting day, would be a working day, and the counting center is in the middle of the city. So there is every possibility that the processions may lead to law and order disturbances, and also will create huge traffic problems that we experienced in last assembly elections. So with these objectives, we have issued these directions prohibiting processions and rallies, but other forms of celebrations at their own localities are not prohibited in this order. So this is very clear, and we have conveyed it to all stakeholders also. So we will not revoke this order. No, there is no thought of revoking this order, which is already issued. But again, I would like to reiterate that there is no objection of the parties or candidates celebrating at their own localities, so that we are not against this celebration.